Welcome to Healthy Hub Doc, where we highlight the connection between nature and health to unveil 7 natural remedies for enhancing our well-being. With today's focus on our eyes, the windows to our health through which we experience the beauty of the world. In an age where digital screens become our constant companions, it's paramount to seek out nature's bounty for solutions to preserve and improve our vision. Let's take a closer look, pun intended, into the synergy between these 7 herbs and our visual well-being. Each herb, with its unique properties, contributes to a holistic approach to maintaining and enhancing our vision. By understanding the broader context of how these natural remedies support eye health, we further appreciate their role in our daily lives. Incorporating these 7 herbs into our routine isn't just about consumption. It's about embracing a lifestyle that prioritizes natural well-being. Whether it's starting the day with a cup of saffron-infused tea to harness its antioxidant power, adding turmeric to our meals for its anti-inflammatory benefits, or enjoying a calming cup of chamomile tea before bed, each action is a step towards healthier eyes. Starting at number 1, Ginko Biloba. Our first guardian of vision is Ginko Biloba, a living fossil that has witnessed the eons pass by. Its resilience is matched by its potency in protecting our eyes. The ginkgo tree's leaves, rich in flavonoids and terpenoids, offer a bastion of defense against the decline of eye health. These compounds enhance blood circulation, ensuring that every part of the eye is nourished with oxygen and essential nutrients. This process is crucial for fending off conditions such as glaucoma and age-related macular degeneration, offering a gleam of hope in the preservation of our sight. Exploring Ginko Biloba further, we find that its benefits extend beyond enhancing blood circulation. It also plays a crucial role in combating the stress of constant exposure to digital screens. By improving blood flow, Ginko Biloba ensures that the protective nutrients reach our eyes, offering a shield against the blue light that dominates our lives. Number 2. Bilberry. Venturing further into nature's bounty, we encounter bilberry, a berry whose modest appearance belies its powerful vision-enhancing properties. Bilberry's anthocyanins, which are potent antioxidants, shield the eyes from oxidative stress and improve night vision. This remarkable benefit is akin to granting our eyes their own natural night vision, allowing us to see with clarity even in low-light conditions. It's as if bilberry whispers to us the secrets of navigating the dark, protecting our eyes from the wear and tear of everyday life. Bilberry's historical use by World War II pilots to enhance night vision is a testament to its effectiveness. This anecdote underscores the berry's profound impact on improving visual acuity in low-light conditions. Incorporating bilberry into our diets is like paying homage to the wisdom of the past, ensuring that its legacy continues to benefit our vision. Continuing at number 3, Saffron. Revered for its vibrant hue and exquisite flavor, emerges as a golden elixir for eye health. It's not just a culinary delight, but a treasure trove of crocin and quercetin antioxidants that safeguard the eyes against age-related damage. The protective mantle that saffron provides helps maintain the integrity of our vision, combating the degenerative effects of time and ensuring that the world remains as colorful and vivid as the spice itself. The vibrant color of saffron mirrors the vibrancy it brings to our vision. Its rich antioxidant profile not only protects the eyes, but also stimulates the repair of damaged cells, offering a regenerative boost that can slow the progression of eye diseases. Number 4. Turmeric. The inflammation warrior turmeric, with its golden glow, carries curcumin, a compound famed for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant prowess. It's a warrior in the battle against inflammation and oxidative stress, conditions that can cloud our vision and dampen the spirit of sight. Turmeric's curcumin ensures that the inflammatory storms are quelled and the oxidative invaders repelled, maintaining the sanctity of our vision. Pairing turmeric with rosemary in our culinary concoctions not only enhances flavor, but also doubles the protective benefits for our eyes. This dynamic duo, with their potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, creates a powerful barrier against environmental stressors, ensuring our eyes remain resilient against the challenges they face. Number 5. Dandelion. Often dismissed as a mere weed, dandelion is a veritable guardian of vision. Rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, it offers a protective veil against the blue light of digital screens, safeguarding our eyes from fatigue and strain. Dandelion teaches us that even the most unassuming plants can harbor immense benefits, reminding us to look beyond appearances and value the essence within. Moving along to number 6. Fennel. The vision enhancer fennel, with its distinctive licorice flavor, is not only a culinary favorite, but also a beacon of eye health. Packed with vitamin A, it brightens our night vision and keeps our eyes lubricated. Fennel's antioxidants fight against oxidative stress, ensuring our eyes are shielded from the damages of age and environment. It's a testament to the fact that our diet can be our ally in maintaining not just our health, but our vision as well. Dandelion and fennel are more than just herbs. They are nutrient providers for our eyes. Rich in essential vitamins and minerals, they support the structural integrity of our visual system. Including these herbs in our meals is akin to laying a strong foundation for our eye health, ensuring it is built to last. To round out the top 7 herbs to improve vision health, at number 7, chamomile, the soothing companion. Lastly, we turn to chamomile, known for its soothing and calming properties, which extend to eye health. Its anti-inflammatory and anti-irritant capabilities provide a gentle caress for tired and stressed eyes, offering a natural remedy for reducing discomfort and inflammation. Chamomile serves as a reminder of the gentle care our eyes need, promoting a sense of peace and well-being that reflects in our vision. Ending our day with chamomile is not just a ritual for relaxation, but also a therapeutic practice for our eyes. Its soothing properties alleviate stress and inflammation, providing our eyes with the rest they need to recover from the day's exertions. Chamomile's gentle touch is a reminder of the importance of rest in maintaining our vision's health. After today's insights into the wisdom of nature and its bounty, if this review of the herbal guardians of our vision has enlightened you, remember to subscribe to Healthy Hub Doc. Your support enables us to continue uncovering the treasures of natural health, sharing knowledge that can transform lives. This exciting exploration of these 7 remarkable herbs in today's video offers a blueprint for safeguarding our vision through natural means. By integrating Ginko Biloba, Bilberry, Saffron, Turmeric, Dandelion, Fennel, and Chamomile into our daily lives, we don't just nourish our bodies, but also pay homage to the traditional wisdom that has long recognized their value. As we bid farewell on this journey, we invite you to embrace these natural remedies, exploring their benefits and incorporating them into your wellness routine. These herbs may be found in your favorite grocery store produce section or among your reliable sources for high-quality health supplements. Remember, the key to lasting eye health and vibrant vision lies in the balance between modern practices and ancient wisdom. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening voyage at Healthy Hub Doc. If our guide through nature's vision enhancers has illuminated your path, show your appreciation by liking, sharing, and subscribing for more insights into natural health remedies. Together, let's continue our quest for wellness, armed with the knowledge and blessings of nature. Thank you for watching, and remember, a journey towards a healthier, clearer vision for tomorrow starts with a single step, or in this case, a click. Subscribe now and become part of our growing community seeking health and wellness through nature.